All right, guess what we got today? A Dewalt propane heater. So we're just digging into this whole thing here. So the exact, let's see, where's the right side of the box here? There we go. It's a 6,000, whatever it is, propane heater. Ugh. It's hot. You just blew the whole thing out.
I did.
You better shut this off. However, shut that off.
Okay, so.
Oh, cool. It's got light. There's the fan.
Oh, yeah. Let's try to light this again.
It should light a lot faster this time. Yeah, see?
One,
You can
2, 3, 4, 5.
just let go. Yeah, there you go. This is for emergency purposes, just in case we lose electricity.
Right?
That work? Oh, yeah. Is that the highest? Is it medium or low? No, I didn't mean the fan. I meant the propane.
Oh,
this
it's
dial.
low.
So,
You turn it high, yeah.
oh, that's okay. That's the. I don't know how to.
I don't know either. You push it down. Oh, yeah, you push it down barely.
Oh, okay. There we
Oh,
go.
that's
That's more like it.
Yeah, it turns it red.
Ooh, you can feel it now.
Yeah.
So yeah, is this where you?
12,000 BTU at this rate. I like the light. That's cool too. Can you turn it?
Yeah, that's cool. How do you get this open?
Um.
I don't want to break it.
It's hard to finagle it. Come on. The other one, open it up.
There we go. Yeah, so this slides out like this. So you can just screw it on like that. It's kind of cool. Kind of a neat thing they did.
It's really cool.
You got
So,
the battery
2 1-pounders at 12.
in the back, fan.
Just to save. Supposed to last.
And then over here we got
This should last for 7 hours like this. Oh no.
4, not 1, 4 USB chargers.
Is that
And
4?
then- Yep.
3?
That's 3. My bad. 3.
Yeah.
3 USB chargers.
That's awesome. I really like that.
Oh, and it has two slots for tanks. There are 2 tanks in it. It does how many hours did it do?
Yeah, it does 3 hours if it's on high.
For 1 tank, right?
No, that's for 2 tanks.
For 2 tanks?
Of this size, they're 1-pound tanks. It does 7 hours on low, 3 hours on high. It's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
Not for a small tank. If you get
Oh, that's on a small tank.
these are the 2
Oh.
smallest. You could hook up a 20-pound. 2 20-pound tanks would last you on high 72 hours.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. 1 20-pound tank would last 36 hours. Which a 20-pound tank is $14. I think.
You know, I didn't even know Dewalt made these things.
I had no idea either. I looked it up online on Amazon. I was looking for inside safe one that would be battery powered.
Yeah?
And with propane, portable and everything. This is exactly what I was looking for. Because it's got a light and I can charge stuff. Perfect.
Do they make a bigger one or a smaller one, or is this the only one?
It's the only one. But 12,000 BTUs, that will easily heat my room. And it's
Alright.
safe.
Oh, that's cool.
Easily.
It's a Dewalt propane heater.